I've been at Verizon for 24 years. We have a lot of channels, and customers have optionality on where they want to be served. And that consistency and just that maniacal journey to make sure you get it right in every aspect where a customer can interact with us is critical. When we first started out, we had, I would say, over 50 technology partners. It was just too many. So we really took a concerted effort to rationalize that portfolio of true partners. Adobe being one of them, where we just said, okay, we're gonna ideate and innovate with you. We'd take over, call it a couple million calls a month. How do you extract that behavioral data and understand where the customer is in the journey? We've been using AI and the principles will be the same. But Gen AI, especially in large language models, to be able to synthesize mass amounts of information and data, be able to put it at the fingertips of marketers or our sales reps. But now it's really around real-time decisioning and real-time marketing. How do we bring that all together in an omni experience? Now we have everything following the customer, customized and personalized. We got to do that at scale.
As we're chatting, I am struck by the clarity and specificity of which you're describing all this.
They always said I'm too tactical. In all my jobs and all my roles, they're like, you're never gonna be a leader, you're too tactical. And I'm like, but that's how you get things done. My best marketers know the technology and they know what data is available to them. And they're coming back to my data scientists to say, hey, I need you to create a model, an AI model, that scores our base, that looks at this, this, and this. And we started with 18 different AI models 3 years ago. We're at 250 models that are scoring 80 million scores that go into our warehouse each and every month. And then just orchestrating who, what's the weighting of those scores to say, where are they in the life cycle? Are they likely to buy? Are they likely to leave? Are they likely to buy this different product or solution from us? Or how would they like to be served? Should we be putting more of a digital message in front of them? What lifestyle message or content or imagery should we be showing to them? And trying to be able to really drive that personalization and meet them where they want to be met.